for airplane.
B is for basketball, bouncy, bouncy basketball. C is for castle, protector from the dragon. D is for dragon, burning down the castle. E is for elephant, F is for fire, hot, hot fire. G is for generous, that's what we admire. H is for heart, I is for ignition, this will make your car start. J is for jackhammer, K is for night, L is for light, so, so bright. M is for map, like a secret treasure map. N is for nap, take a little nap. O is for owl, P is for pirate, Q is for quest, on a quest to find some treasure. R is for rhino, big, big rhino. S is for snow, T is for tiger. U is for up, up, up high. V is for volcano, erupt into the sky. W is for watermelon, sweet when it's ripe. X is for xylophone, playing sounds into the night. Y is for yelling, yelling isn't nice. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes. The ABCs are fun to learn. Next time